वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह माई सेल्फ लखविंदर कौर students today we will discuss about a chapter a strange transformation. Let's start. Strange means something unfamiliar and transformation means completely physical change. Have you ever seen a dream when you slept with stressed mind and in dream you got yourself in as a bird, changes in a bird or any other imaginative creation? So this chapter is also following with these type of thoughts. In this chapter, Gregor Samsa is a protagonist of the story who is a traveling salesman. As we know, the salesman has too much stress. So one day, when he opened his eyes in the morning, he feels that he is transformed in a monstrous verminous bug, which has armor hard back and arched abdomen. Abdomen means stomach, which is divided into different layers. From this, he is very confused and puzzled because he was unable to get up from the bed and unable to turn the side. Suddenly, a thing click in his mind that at 5 o'clock he goes by train daily, which is at 5 o'clock. But when he look at the alarm at alarm, there is already 6:45. He thought that today his alarm missed to ring because when his alarm rang, his furniture is completely shaken. Means to say, the alarm rang too loudly. So he thought that where is mistake or where is something wrong. Unwillingly, he looked out the window. At window, there are drops of the water, which is not good for his. He thought that weather is not good, so today he will take a leave from his work. But at the same time, his mother called out of the room to waking him up. She said that it is already 7 o'clock, you have to get up now. But unwillingly, he tried to sleep. Next, at the door, a doorbell rang. The Gregor thought that at the door there is something, his colleague or his manager. He tried to recognize him or her by the voice. When he listened or heard the voice of his manager, he suddenly pulled his blanket and he fell down from the bed with a very huge noise. The manager said that something is falling down. So this is all about this chapter which we read. In this chapter there is a summary of this lesson. The Gregor Samsa is a traveling salesman. He one morning he get himself as a monstrous verminous bug. From this he was very puzzled and he was unable to turn the side. Then dreary weather. So in this way, this is all about the chapter. Thank you. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.